Hello guys, and welcome to the second section on what to do when you are on a very difficult or losing trade. Last time we were talking about Ethereum and putting us in a situation where we were losing and had to decide whether we're going to keep playing it based on the charts or we're going to be calling out those losses. So let's take a look at where we left out and let's see my charting here. So remember, when you are in a difficult situation, you need to take advantage of the charts. Your charts are going to be your best friend because that might be defining. Again, this is not financial advice. It's going to be defining whether you are or not be taking that movement. So it seems like I am in a different chart here. Let's go to my alarm because remember, I was talking about Ethereum going to the upside or having the chance to go to the upside or to the downside. Remember, we need to analyze for both movements because we need to act accordingly to our worst case scenario. At that case, let's just figure out that we were in for the game and we were waiting for that a possible scenario of keep going up. Remember, my analysis was telling me that most likely scenario was for Ethereum moving to the upside. It seems right now it is on the upside. And we see a big candle right here, right in the middle of our screen. Let me show it to you. So let me clear this little drawings that I did previously so we can see it a little bit better. Here we go. Also, let's clear this ones. So it seems like that play out perfectly. Guys, this is where you need to remember how it felt to be on the negative. Guys, right now, you have your chance to cut out your losses. Not even cutting them out, but just getting out of the trade in gains. So, what would I be doing on this situation? Since I'm seeing that my oscillator has enough time to go up here, look at that. To get to where I was expecting it to be, I still had a little bit more room to play. So right now, I should, or in my case scenario, I will be taking 90% of that trade out because that is not an entry position for a long. Why is it not an entry position for a long based on my own strategy? And guys, I'm talking about me. For you, you need to evaluate that for yourself. Remember, I'm not here giving you financial advice. I'm just here telling you what I did on my time and what I have came to learn throughout the time. So as you can see, if I took out 90% out, well then I still have 10% left. So I'm very calm already because right down here, I was feeling terrible. Remember that? Remember where you went all the way down there? So how did that felt? So that's why I'm taking as much at the risk I want. If I got into this situation, that means that I am an emotional trader. Or maybe it just was some accident in there. Nonetheless, I need to address my feelings. And remember, we are trying to get your feelings out of the equation. So in the meantime, I learned to do that. I'm going to be taking out as much risk as I can. So 90% out in my case out of this, and then just keeping the rest 10 just in case this blows up. Is it going to be blowing up? It seems like it. Not quite there yet, but it seems like it. Remember that I said, at this point, when I have my alarm ringing, I'm going to be reanalyzing the trade to see if that is good for a short or if it's good for a breakthrough and retest. So let's do that. I still have enough playroom to keep moving up. I just broke above that zero line. Let me show you. Right here, we broke above that zero line, and remember, it's not about the breakout, it's about the retest, and then off we go. I have that confirmation. Am I breaking? Yes. Do I have a breakout confirmation? No. I need for that candle to close. Nonetheless, remember, I'm not risking my capital anymore. I'm out 90%. Why? Because I want to get in whenever the best case scenario is. Where is that best case scenario at? Remember, for longs, I want to be at crazy support. So far, this is my crazy support. And that's when I see flip of the ribbon to the upside. But what's going to happen if that breaks up? Guys, well then strap on, because if this is not part of your plan, you need to let that trade go, because your entry was right down here, or my entry was right down here, as I was on crazy support with flip of the ribbon, oversoldness, and also a reversal triangle. So if I do not follow my rules, then I'm not doing it correctly. If your rules are wrong, only time will tell, but you should be keeping a diary, taking notes what rules you're setting to prevent previous mistakes. And remember, those rules are going to be evolving as you start discovering how you react to certain scenarios. Guys, so hopefully, guys, you're doing amazing. So let me send you a big heart. Hopefully, you're killing it on the charts. And guys, see you on the next short session. See you guys.